The Ruko Gimbal drone is a remarkable piece of technology designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. Combining advanced features with user-friendly operation, this drone is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals looking to capture stunning high-quality images and videos from the sky. With its robust build, impressive flight capabilities, and sophisticated camera system, this drone offers an unparalleled flying experience that sets it apart in the competitive drone market. At the heart of this drone is a high-resolution 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. This setup ensures that the camera remains stable and provides smooth, shake-free footage even in challenging flight conditions. Whether you're flying in windy environments or performing intricate maneuvers, the gimbal system ensures that your shots are always crisp and clear. The camera's 4K resolution allows for incredibly detailed images and videos, capturing the world in stunning clarity. The drone's flight performance is equally impressive. Powered by a high-capacity battery, it offers extended flight times of up to 28 minutes on a single charge. This gives you ample time to explore and capture your surroundings without the constant worry of needing to land for a recharge. The drone's powerful motors and aerodynamic design enable it to reach speeds of up to 15 meters per second, making it suitable for both leisurely flights and high-speed aerial adventures. One of the standout features of this drone is its GPS-assisted flight capabilities. The built-in GPS system provides precise positioning, allowing for advanced flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Point of Interest. These intelligent flight modes make it easier than ever to capture professional quality footage. For instance, the Follow Me mode ensures that the drone automatically tracks and follows you, keeping you in the frame as you move. The Waypoint Navigation mode lets you plot a course on a map, and the drone will autonomously follow the predetermined path. Meanwhile, the Point of Interest mode allows you to set a specific location for the drone to circle, capturing dynamic and cinematic shots. The drone's versatility extends beyond photography and videography. It's also an excellent tool for surveying, mapping, and inspection tasks. The high-resolution camera and stable flight capabilities make it ideal for capturing detailed aerial imagery for various applications. Whether you're conducting a roof inspection, surveying a construction site, or creating detailed maps, this drone provides the precision and reliability needed for professional results. The Ruko Gimbal drone represents a perfect blend of performance, ease of use, and advanced features. Its high-quality camera, intelligent flight modes, and robust safety mechanisms make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a newcomer to the world of drones, this model offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you capture the world from a new perspective. Discover the incredible capabilities of the Ruko Gimbal drone and see how it can transform your aerial photography and videography. With its blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, this drone is the perfect companion for capturing stunning images and videos from the sky.